Here in the Grand Forks region, we have various sectors that we really prioritize as an economic development organization, such as the UAS industry, biotech, biomedicine, and energy and environment.
We started Bifrost in summer of 2023. We got in a few budget printers, some Chinese machines, and like form labs with SLS and SLA technologies. And then quickly realized that we needed more. With the Stratasys H350, we are now able to produce parts that are more in line with injection molding and older technologies for machining plastics. Customers are able to see production volumes, thousands, tens of thousands of parts within days or weeks. We were able to produce an order for our customers of 600 pieces in less than 48 hours. That would have taken 8 to 10 days than other additive technologies we have. Cost savings, the time savings, just all in, this technology is really helping. And this is a great machine to experiment on, to prototype, and get into full-scale production.